Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you one of the hottest new ways to make money. It's called Tap to Earn Money 2026. If you've been searching for a simple and fun way to create real income, then Tap to Earn Money 2026 is definitely something you should check out. So what is Tap to Earn Money 2026? It's a brand new system that lets you earn $200 instant commissions every single day by simply tapping the ATM inside the platform. Yes, you literally tap to earn money 2026. No complicated strategies, no selling to friends, no tech stress. With Tap to Earn Money 2026, you just tap and get paid instantly. This is why Tap to Earn Money 2026 is blowing up right now. It's one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to generate daily income in 2026. A lot of people are tired of hard methods that barely pay, but Tap to Earn Money 2026 is completely different. It's simple, it's fast, and the money comes in instantly. If you want an effortless way to start making money, then Tap to Earn Money 2026 could be perfect for you. The timing is excellent too, because Tap to Earn Money 2026 is still very new. The people who get in early are going to have the biggest advantage. So if you're ready to start with Tap to Earn Money 2026, I made it super easy for you. Click the link in the description right now and check out the system. This really is as simple as Tap to Earn Money 2026. You tap, you collect your commissions, and you can do it every single day. Again, if you want to begin earning with Tap to Earn Money 2026, the link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Click it and get started today. Imagine logging in every day, doing a few quick taps, and watching real money come in instantly. That's exactly what Tap to Earn Money 2026 is delivering right now. One more time, if you're serious about making money with Tap to Earn Money 2026, click the link in the description right now and lock in your spot. This opportunity is moving very fast. The sooner you start with Tap to Earn Money 2026, the more you can benefit. So go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment. Check out the Tap to Earn Money 2026 system and start collecting your first commissions today. If this video got you excited and you're ready to try Tap to Earn Money 2026, drop me in the comments and let me know you're in. Thanks for watching. Click that link right now, take action on Tap to Earn Money 2026, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet.